guys, what's up? I'm back, and today, as you can see, I'm going to attempt to charge up the AC compressor in the Rabbit so I can have some AC. So I just changed out the valve stems, got my can of R12 supplement here that is from 1993, and I only have 2 cans. They don't make it anymore, and if you find some on eBay, it's like $60 for a 12-ounce can. So I have 2 of these. I'm gonna put them in, and hopefully that's all this thing takes. So I don't know, we'll see. All right, so I said that a lot. I'm not gonna say it. Before you go and do this yourself, I just want to point out a mistake I made. So you are supposed to have it under vacuum and then put Freon in it, but I didn't do that. I let the vacuum unsuck and then put Freon, so I made that mistake. So the process would go, pull a vacuum, let it sit, make sure that there's no leaks or anything. In my case, it was good. And then leave the vacuum on, hook up your lines, put Freon in it, and you're good. Okay, so I went through 1 can. I have 1 more, which these cans are 2 different styles. I'll show you what I mean by that. This one, you see the top is flush, and it doesn't have a screw on, whereas this other one does. And if you bought one of these, this was like $10 on Amazon. But you could get one like this, or you could get one that clamps on the side and hooks a hole. It does the same thing. But to put this on, at first I thought it wasn't going to work on this one, but it will. You just have to unscrew this top piece and then clamp it on, and then you should be able to just screw it down. And the part that'll actually keep it down is the gasket on the bottom of this valve. So just wanted to show you that as a quick tip if you are going to fill up your old car. Okay, so it's very hot in here. 87 degrees. It's hot. Let's turn it on, and let's hope it turns on. Then I'll test the air. Dead battery. Let's try it. Ugh. Okay, so I'll turn the air just on all the way. And it bogs down the engine. It's not terrible. I'll let it run for a second. I'll go put all this up. Door handles are broken again. That's what happens when you buy cheap ones. Alright, so in here, it feels great. So 57, that's amazing. Yeah, so it works. Oh, it's so good! Okay, so I'm just driving on this beautiful sunset, and it's so worth it working on this. I finally get to drive it around, the AC working, and it's feeling great in here. I fixed the drip tray, if you want to call it that. But yeah, it's so good. AC is where it's at, especially on these hot days. So the radiator still isn't, I still haven't switched it out yet, but I'm just taking the lap around the neighborhood just before it gets dark. I just wanted to get everything cooled, make sure there's no leaks in what I did. There shouldn't be, but you know, just double checking. So yeah, well, that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you want to see more videos on the Rabbit, subscribe, leave a comment. If you have any advice for me, for my Rabbit, if I need to know some things that would help me along the way, just go ahead and comment that. Like this video, share it. If you know someone that needs AC in their old car, just show them this video. Yeah, other than that, thank you for watching. Please have a good day.